Hi, it's Judy
Hi, it's Joy.
from Real Change Mentoring.
We wanted to just send out another video and talk to you about the Get in Gear for the New Year Daylong workshop that we're offering January 11th.
Doesn't that want to just make you get up and
Get in gear?
Get in gear, right? Get moving.
So we wanted to talk a little more about what we're actually offering that day.
Yeah, so it first started out for us when people said you need to make a New Year's resolution. And then it moved to goals. No, you should have goals for the new year. And then it moved to intentions. For 2019, it was intentions, right? So anyway, we want to just turn all of that on its head and offer something totally new, which is inspiration. We know, and I bet you know too, that the only thing that really creates change is inspiration. Comes from the inside out.
Yeah.
And we actually found a definition of inspiration that Joy's going to share with you real quick here.
And so inspiration comes from the Latin inspire, to breathe. And according to Merriam-Webster online, in early text, it's to influence, move, or guide through divine or supernatural agency or power.
Wow. So what that means is that supernatural agency and power exists within you. You have all the inspiration that you need to make whatever change you want to make.
Yeah.
And in the Daylong, we're just going to look at, what is it that you want to create? And some kind of like, what's the story that's in the way?
Mm-hmm.
Right? And we're going to guide you through the process of actually seeing through all of that.
Yeah. It'll be fun.
It'll be really fun. So anyway, we hope to see you there. It's on January 11th from 10 to 4. It's going to be at our home. So it'll be real cozy and intimate.
Yeah.
And it costs $99. Until...
Well, that's the early bird price, and we're going to extend it for a couple of days. So go ahead and get your registration in as soon as possible.
Yeah, we're going to extend it until, what's today?
Today's the 1st.
Right, so we're going to extend it till the 3rd. That's Friday. Right?
Yes.
So anyway, hope to see your name on the list, and we look forward to it. Thanks so much.
The registration information is below in the email.
Okay, great.
Okay, bye.
Bye.